I was, I am, and I will always be a winner. I am strong, confident, and unstoppable. My energy attracts success and admiration. I radiate